Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Entrepreneurship Week 7 Assignment 7. So the first question is, which of the following is a financial strategy decision? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, financial strategy of firms involves a few critical decision and dividend decision, liquidity decision. So the answer of our first question is C, dividend decision. Now, the second question is, besides corporate performance and wealth maximization, financial strategy is linked holistically to. So, these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our second question. Corporate governance, ethic, compliance, business continuity, and risk management are now integral to financial management. So, the answer of our second question is D. Now, the third question is, which of the following statement is true? So, these are the statements, and now let's check the answer of our third question. So, question third, overall fundraising by startups in India has registered a quantum jump over the last few years. So, the answer of our third question is A. Now, the fourth question is, a firm's ability to meet current financial obligations is assessed by the firms. So, these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question fourth, liquidity ratio measures the firm's ability to meet current obligation. So the answer of our fourth question is B. Now the fifth question is, the following is important for smooth and prudential conduct of a company's operations. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C. Net positive cash flow from operations. Now the sixth question is, in the early phases of startups, say ideation and prototyping, a startup usually receives. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, angel and seed funding. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Now, the seventh question is, which of the following statement is generally true on startup investment? So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is A. Seed investor invest small amount and expect big return even if wanting to exit early. Now, the eighth question is, traditionally many native ethnic startups are based on. So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A. Institutionalized craftsmanship of individuals. Now, the ninth question is, IIT Madras Research Park is primarily a. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A. Leading plug and play incubator. Now, the tenth question is, which of the following forms of startup financing is not legally supported in India? So these are the option, and the answer of our tenth question is B. Crowdfunding. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching our video.